method. Hello, fitter. Dan, tell something.
Yeah. Hi, we are on Taiwan, KAOHSIUNG.
Yeah.
Just careful.
Hello everyone.
Be
We
careful
are
with
in
corona,
KAOHSIUNG,
huh?
Taiwan, and we have to be careful with the virus, coronavirus. So this is the city here.
So hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So we were in Kaohsiung, Taiwan in February first week, and we came to know about the virus, and we took all the safety measures and precautions, and we were safe. We were there in the city for around 4 to 5 days, and then we left for Houston, USA, and it took us for around 2 months, 1.5 months generally is the voyage time, but due to this pandemic, it took us around 2 months due to various restrictions and etc. etc. So now we are back to the Houston, USA. We are here in USA, and as per the news condition in USA is not that good, but that's okay. We are doing our job, There is no shoreleave. Shoreleave is cancelled. We are safe here on ship. We are taking all the safety measures. You guys also be safe. Be at your home. Enjoy being at home. And watch my previous videos if you're free. So as usual, give the video a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Comment something. Haven't heard from you guys for a while. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. For now, have a nice day. Bye bye.